So hello, half full Monty here. Nice Sunday PM here. Uh, I know you guys are probably getting tired of watching the update on the old Target situation, but nice Sunday afternoon. It's got hot today, but it cooled down some. Uh, so, pardon the lawnmower noise next door. But anyhow, and the dogs doing their dog thing back there. But the update on the Target, I got some more old boards, and I decided just to go ahead and just put them up over the other old boards, and maybe together they'll hold up a little bit. I put some boards on the top and bottom to protect from hitting screws. For some reason, I get a wild throw every now and then, and if you can tell on the edge up at the tip there where it's curved in a little bit, that was from hitting a screw. Takes some work to get them back. I still have some work on that. So anyway, that's what I did there. Extra boards on top of the other boards, which is on top of some pine boards. And this one over here, I was going to do, I have some cedar 6x6 boards that I was going to chop up into, it's like, this is an old skid. You can see the back here. But it's like 30, it is 30 by 30 and about 3.5 inches thick. So I was going to cut them and place them in there, and I still might do that where it's a board end target, which is a lot like a stump. This is the remains of the old stump here that served me so well, and I'm gonna go and if it hadn't rotted out, I'm gonna go get me some more of that, as much of that as I can, because that lasts a long time. These here are a constant battle. But anyway, I put these up there that way I didn't have to cut all those little sections of 6x6 by 3s and fill in, and then I'd have to put a backing on it to put them in there where I could screw them in. But cut these boards, and my old I have a couple old skill saws, but I guess the blades are wore out, and that stuff is this is cottonwood, and they are like 2 by 11 or so, but those things were hard to cut to be so, they'll come apart so easy. But anyway, I got those on there. I might go see if he's got some more. I'm tempted to get some more and put them long ways across this way next time, but you want to go with the grain on these. I've been told for it to stick, if they're long ways, it's not with the grain. But anyway, got her up there, and I'm going to drink a couple of adult beverages out here this afternoon. Kind of keep up with the game day over there. I've rigged, that's an old TV set that originally came with my Casita. It's a DVD, 12 volt, 110 TV. It's not a smart TV. We've got a smart TV in our Casita now, but it actually works pretty good right there. And it's not real big, but geez, it's just me and the dogs basically out here. So it's plenty big. But anyway, that's it for me for tonight. It's cooling off. It's actually very pleasant out here tonight in North Texas. I would like to thank everybody that's subscribed. I'm like at 298. My goal was to get to 300 at the end of last month, so I'm pretty close there. And it's kind of a hobby of mine. I want to get enough where I can get funded, I guess, and not so much just for the funds, which I don't think you get a lot, but just to be able to do it, you know, just to get there and say, hey, I've got funded. But anyway, thanks to you guys. Thanks for the comments. There've been some good ones that I've picked up on and learned some tricks here and there. But anyway, from North Texas, Half Full Monty on a Sunday afternoon. Have a good afternoon, have a good night, and have a productive week. Half Full Monty out.